Hello everyone, I'm Joan Fernley and I am really happy to announce that I have a brand new version 3 video tutorial for you, finally. And I didn't even film it myself. In fact, Rania Lake, one of the mask makers in my Facebook group, Masks for Performers, put together an excellent version 3 video tutorial, which means I don't have to. I will provide a direct link at the end of this video, as well as in the description box below. A bit about Rania. Rania Lake is an independent fabric designer and sewist from Canada. And I will put her links down below so that you can visit and her site and see all her creative work. She's also on Instagram as well. So back to the tutorial. Rania's tutorial reflects the recommendations I made in my recent video titled Important and Updated Information. So specifically, all sides of the mask are 3 layers. So the top, the front, and the bottom each have 3 layers of cotton and polypropylene. So these are the fabrics and the layering that is currently recommended. She also minimizes the stitching in the step where you add the zip tie casings. And so that's a critical step as well. So it's important to have that up to date. Of course, there is more than one way to sew this mask, but hopefully this latest video will give you some tangible guidance and inspiration that is up to date. And with that in mind, I've also created a new playlist on my YouTube channel that I've called Mask for Singers from the Community. So far, I've uploaded 2 videos from Rania. Her version 3 tutorial that I've just been talking about, and also a tutorial about singers masks for children and the sizing challenges around fitting children, because of course they aren't just simply small adults. They have their own sizing and proportions to take into account. And of course, if I come across other videos that are relevant to the singer's mask and to making these masks, I will upload those videos to that particular playlist. So as always, I encourage you to join the Facebook group Masks for Performers that I always link down in the description box of each video. Some of you ask me questions here on YouTube, and you can still do that, but you will get much better and quicker answers in the Facebook group. So there are makers there that have sewn thousands of masks, and they have built up some knowledge and experience, and to be able to get some information directly from them is very useful. And this is the magic of open source. And we all have our strengths, and we can all learn from each other. So once again, do go check out Rania's work, her version 3 video tutorial. Continue to stay up to date on masking and keep up the good work. Bye.